Baby,
Yes.
Yeah, bro.
I was
Yeah, bro.
waiting for that.
Yeah.
I was
Yeah.
waiting.
Yeah. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back. We are your Jamaican friends. So we're gonna react to Gabriel and Henrique Perfect Ed Sheeran cover. So bro, I've been waiting for you so long. It's been so long since I've got a video from you. And bro, like where were you, my G? Like where were you? So people, without further ado, on my left here I have my girlfriend featuring. She's a big fan of Gabriel the very first moment I have made an introduction to y'all. She has loved him off so much. Hey bro, careful. Careful bro, careful. So we're gonna react to that song right now. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Peace. Okay guys, let's dive in.
I found love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found the girl, beautiful and sweet. I never
Well, my bro took it's 2 weeks, I think. 2 weeks
2 weeks.
off or 3.
Feels like a month right now.
Bro, it's been so
a long
long.
time. It's been a long while. I haven't heard from
Bro,
Gabriel.
like this guy took so long to give us a song and he came back with this. Hey bro, that's genius. I mean, like the song is so perfect. I mean, like it's a perfect song for us.
Well, majority of people I'm gonna know that song.
Yeah, most people, because it's a very big song. Very, very big song. Right? And for Gabriel to give us this song, hey man. Hey bro, that's a perfect choice, man. Perfect choice. I mean, like, yeah, it's a very representational song. Right? It's a song that represents well, it's a song that represents us. Yeah, because we were young when we fall in love. Right? So darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Okay? Okay. Yeah, I broke our finger. Okay guys, let's continue.
I knew you were the someone waiting for me. Cause we were just kids when you fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I want, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark.
Wow. My G is back with another remarkable singing.
Back with a banger.
Yeah, man, this is Gabriel, bro. This is Gabriel.
I don't have fun of Gabriel already, so anything Gabriel bring forth, just know something in there.
Guys, I mean, like, she's in love with Gabriel's voice. I don't know if she's in love with Gabriel personally. I don't know if that's even possible.
Yeah, anyhow.
Gabriel is a goat, bro. Like, I respect this man's voice so much. I respect his work so much. I mean, like, the moment I've realized that Gabriel give us a song, my entire day was like, damn, bro, where was this nigga, man? Where was this youth?
Happy.
Hey, when I spread the word to my girlfriend, say, hey, Gabriel gave us a song, she was like so excited for this.
I'm gonna look for you then.
You look for real?
I'm gonna look. You're for real then. I'm gonna say, no, I'm gonna see if he really drop a song. You're like, okay.
Guys, see, is that powerful? Very powerful. Let's continue.
If you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath to her, darling, you look perfect tonight. I found the woman, strong and I know she shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home.
Oh God, guys, like this is insane.
That's my Gabriel.
This is insane.
I don't know what to say, but
So bro took your breath away, right? Hey Gabriel, I gotta say, like, you're the lady's choice, man. And with this song, very excellent choice. It's like a song that is so perfectly written. When you go ahead and use this as your cover song, I was so rejoicing. I was so happy because it's giving back so much memories of where we're coming from and where we're at now. And this song is, oh man, this song is hitting to the core, man. Every time I hear this song, I always hear where we're coming from, or we have started together in a relationship, and you've made it your own way. You put it in your own style. It's perfect. Like, it's perfectly fitted for the song. The song is called Perfect, and you make it even more perfect.
Taking our own female. That's unique.
Very, very unique.
You love Gabriel.
So if you love him, you can tell him.
Yeah, Gabriel, I love you. You know that? Yes, Gabriel.
It's just because you're far away, letting that I'm not gonna strangle this woman right now. I'll strangle her. Like, let's continue.
Is that Mary Fan? Yeah.
To carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children. Oh, we are still kids, but it's only love fighting against odds. I know I'll be alright this time, darling. Just hold my hand.
I feel like him singing in one different language.
Darling,
Like
just
Spanish,
hold
like
my.
Spanish or some.
He's a Brazilian.
Well,
so he speaks Spanish.
Well, it sound like him singing that the language there.
Bro, he's singing in English though.
Yeah, but him sound like him singing in Spanish.
Yeah, because of his accent.
Yeah.
His accent is quite nice. Just like how they would say, hey, you Jamaicans have nice accent. That is just his accent.
Yeah, but him sound like him singing that language, if you understand me.
Yeah, because it's what you used to. And I understand perfectly. Hey, you have a lovely smile. Bro, this song is so perfect. Beautiful eyes, man. Let's continue.
My girl will be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. Dancing in the dark, if you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this, darling. You look perfect tonight.
Yes.
Yeah, bro.
I was waiting for that.
Yeah.
I was waiting.
Yeah. I was waiting patiently as well. This is a note that I always loved about Gabriel. He's so good at that. Like,
Bring in the fire.
darn it. Just darn it, guys. Just darn it. Just darn it. Just darn it. All right. Let's continue.
If you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, you sing me through our favorite song. Now I know I have met an angel in person and silence. Perfect, I don't deserve this. You look perfect
Perfect. Yeah, and this song is well done by Gabriel. Well done.
Spectacular.
Because he hasn't been in the internet for a while now, and he came back with something.
He came back with the fever. We're gonna
Yeah,
catch fever now.
Yeah.
Catch
Oh,
fever.
you're the one gonna catch
Yeah,
fever.
me, I catch fever long time.
Okay. Because I'm not catching any fever for any man. Sorry. Yeah, boy.
I am catching
Yeah,
the
we're
fever.
talking the musical fever. Yeah, that's the type of fever we're gonna catch right now. Not for anything else. But guys, thank you so much for stopping by. And Gabriel,
Keep coming with
keep
those
coming.
music.
And
I need them.
She is falling for him right now. But guys, right now, to be honest, Gabriel, you are a Spanish person. You are from Brazil, right? You speak Spanish. And for you to come and give us a song in English, it's a lot of work. And I have to say, I commend you on these excellent jobs that you are doing, because it's not easy for you to sing a song in full English with the entire word of the song is being sang perfectly. Nothing has had on or taken off. It is just perfect the way the song is. And with you doing this, bro, it's an excellent job. I want to say thank you so much for giving us this beautiful song. It's a very relatable song. And I have to say, keep up the good work.
We're looking forward for more from you, Gabriel.
Yeah, we're looking forward for more.
We need
So
more.
please subscribe for more, guys. We need more song of you, Gabriel. So don't lapse, bro. We're here waiting patiently. So guys, we'll see you next time around. Peace. Remember to leave us up on the content, leave a like as well, and also share it to a friend, telling him or her about we Jamaican reactors. My girlfriend and I, we are a little couple, so if you guys do have an interest in us, subscribe as well. Indeed, the subscription will be needed, right? So we'll see you next time. Peace.